miners have been showing solid fourth quarter results. What can we expect going forward? Joining me now is Phil Baker, CEO of Hecla. Phil, welcome back. Happy BMO.
Glad to be here.
It's our yearly reunion here. Let's talk fourth quarter results, which broke records for you. How do you plan to sustain this momentum at Hecla?
Look, it's going to be a great 2019, primarily because of the strength that we see in Greens Creek. That mine has been redesigned how we're going to produce the metal over the next 4 years. Higher grades, more cash flow, less development. It's a great mine.
Well, Greens Creek coupled with Casa Berardi are really the economic engines of Hecla. How much in reserves have these projects expanded over the past year?
So both of these mines have seen a big increase in reserves. In the case of Greens Creek, each metal has increased about 15 to 20%. And now we have the longest reserve mine life in the history of the mine, and that mine's 30 years old. And when we look at some of the work that we've done in 2018, we'll do some more in 2019, and so you'll actually see another reserve increase, I expect, at the end of this year. At Casa, the real growth has been in a brand new pit that's been identified, the West Mine Pit, and it's added 400,000 ounces, or about 28% to the reserve.
And so what's going to be the focus for 2019 going forward? Are you looking for more acquisitions?
Well, the first is focusing on those two mines. Secondly, we have San Sebastian, the mines in Nevada, and the Lucky Friday. And those three mines represent about 15% of our revenue. And the objective is to try to turn them into Greens Creeks and Casa Berardi's. And then, of course, we will continue to look at acquisitions. We're very strategic in what we acquire. The reason we went to Nevada is because Nevada's been the best place to operate for the last 40 plus years in the precious metals business. So we went there, and we're very happy with what we see. We know it's a long-term game, just like we've had at Greens Creek and at Casa. We're going to have the same thing in Nevada.
Phil, last year when we spoke, you were eyeing $20 silver. We're still not there yet. How are you seeing silver prices?
So it's interesting, if you look at the gold-silver ratio,
yep,
over the last 20 years, there's been 3 occasions that it has reached 85. We're now on the fourth time. On those 3 previous occasions, what's happened after it's reached those levels is both metals went up. It's just silver went up more than gold. That's what I expect to happen in 2019.
So optimistic on silver prices.
Oh, yeah.
What kind of range do you think?
Look, it's hard to say how fast it will go up, but certainly $20 plus, I don't see any reason. Now, having said that, we have a business that can operate whatever the price of silver is.
Because what's your all-in sustaining cost?
Well, for silver, it's about $5.
So the margins still looking good for you there. Thank you so much, Phil. And,
good to be with you.
Look forward to seeing you at the PDAC as well. Thank you so much for joining us here, and we'll have more for you on Kitco.com.